Are you ready to dive into the world of website creation? In 2026, it's easier than ever to build a website. This guide will take you through everything you need to know, from the ground up. Learning to create a website is vital in today's digital age. A website establishes your brand identity and is a powerful tool for generating leads or selling products. Understanding how to create your own site can be a game changer. Let's break down the process of creating a website into simple steps. First, define the purpose of your site. Ask yourself why you want to create it and who your audience is. Determine the value you want to deliver, whether a simple blog or a full e-commerce platform. Next, choose your domain name. Your domain is your site's identity. It should be memorable and ideally under 15 characters. Avoid numbers and special characters for simplicity. Check tools like WHOIS to track your domain's registration details. Now, select a hosting provider. Your website needs a home on the internet. Shared hosting is budget-friendly for beginners, while managed WordPress hosting offers built-in services. Choose what best fits your needs. After securing hosting, pick a platform to build your website. WordPress is versatile, while Wix allows for easy drag-and-drop design. If you're venturing into e-commerce, Shopify is an excellent choice. Google Sites provides a free option for simple pages. Next, select a template that aligns with your branding. Look for templates that are SEO-friendly and mobile-optimized. A good template enhances user experience and boosts page speed. Once your design is set, focus on creating clear navigation. Essential pages include a homepage, About Us, services, a blog, and contact information. Navigation should be intuitive to enhance user experience. Content is the heart of your website. Write engaging, SEO-optimized content that is clear and inviting. Use images and visuals to break up text, keeping readers engaged. Consider advanced techniques to enhance your site's performance. Adding SEO tools helps optimize pages, while improving loading speed ensures users stay on your site. Mobile optimization cannot be overlooked, as most users browse on mobile devices. When building a website, avoid common mistakes. Don't overload pages with content or ignore mobile users. Choose simple themes, and ensure your site is secure with SSL. Lastly, consider creating shortcuts and apps. On Chrome, you can create desktop shortcuts easily. For a website app, simply install it through the browser menu. Before launching, understand your potential costs. Free options are available, but for more professional features, costs can range significantly. Using AI tools can also streamline your process. From generating content to designing layouts, AI can save you time. Finally, remember, creating a website is just the beginning. Maintain it with regular updates to keep it relevant and functional. Track performance and user behavior to continuously improve. So, gather your ideas, select your tools, and start building your online presence today.